course for you. Part 3 of the listening test has a specific structure. There are 13 different conversations. Each conversation has 3 questions with 4 answer choices. This makes a total of 39 questions in Part 3. Only 1 answer is correct. Your job is to choose the best answer based on what you hear in the conversation. The conversations are played only once. This means you need to listen carefully. Don't worry if you miss something. Try to focus on the main idea. Before each conversation starts, you will have just time to quickly read the questions. Try to read the answers as well and think about the right one. Decoding the questions. Common types in Part 3. The questions in Part 3 test your understanding of the conversations. There are different types of questions. They ask about different things. Some questions ask about the main idea. For example, what are the speakers mainly talking about? You need to understand the main topic of the conversation. Other questions ask about specific details. For example, what time is the meeting? You need to listen for specific information. Some questions ask about the speaker's opinions or feelings. For example, how does the woman feel about the situation? You need to pay attention to the tone of voice and the words used. By understanding the different types of questions, you can be better prepared for Part 3. Practice answering these types of questions to improve your skills. Tips and tricks for success. I have some tips to help you succeed in Part 3 of the TOEIC listening test. My tips can make a huge difference. First, practice listening. Watching this video.